my favorite brand of jeans. So welcome back here to another unboxing. So as you can see, there's stuff all over the place, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove most of this stuff from the table. It was from the previous video, so I didn't clean up after myself. I'm very sorry. Are you excited to find out what my favorite brand of jeans I buy? So today I'm going to explain why I buy that particular brand and what type of brand it is. So before we go ahead, I want to unbox a new pair of jeans that I just ordered, and I want to show it to you. So it's still packed, so I didn't want to wait for a very long time because I want to wear these jeans. And as you can see, it's sealed. Before I ordered the same pair of jeans, but it was a little bit too small. Net a porte, and this is my invoice. These are the return stickers if you need to return it, and this is my invoice. I bought these jeans when it was on sale because that's when I could afford to buy it. I love sale. I love sale so much. So this is the packaging. It's really packed very well. So, sticker. Okay, yes. I hope that these jeans are the size I ordered. Yes. So, my favorite brand of jeans is Current Elliott. Current Elliott. I don't know why I love this brand so much. It's not about the brand itself, but it's about the sizing, the fitting. I used to buy jeans previously, I think 5 years ago before I discovered this brand. I used to buy so many jeans, and once I bought jeans, I had to go take them in, make them shorter, make sure that they fit properly. And most of the time, most jeans were too big on me. They were baggy, or the crowds used to be very high or too big or something. But Current Elliott sizing really fits perfectly for my petite body because I'm very petite and I really love stuff that fits me perfectly. So with these jeans, I don't have to take them into the tailor to make them shorter because they are always a little bit shorter. So to me, they fit right. And then if I wear them around the hips, they are also really fitting well. The size I ordered before was size 24, and it was a little bit too tight, so I sent it back and ordered for 25. I hope this fits well. These jeans are made from the US. I ordered them at Net-a-Porter, I think from the UK Net-a-Porter. That's where they ship them from because it took some time. And I don't know what your favorite brand of jeans are, but most of you think jeans are just jeans. Yeah, denim is just denim. It's no biggie. Yeah, I don't think so, because when I think about all the challenges I've been through finding clothes that really fit me, denim has been challenging, and all the brands I've been jumping on haven't fit well. But apparently the last 5 years I've really loved this brand, although yeah, I keep on buying them. I think I have like 7 pair of jeans from this brand. I have the coated ones, I have the shredded ones, I have the what, I don't know. This one is called, I don't know this one, I think. Let's see on the receipt, this style. Caballo cropped high-rise jeans. And they're 98% cotton and 2% elastic. So it's just 2% elastic. So when you buy these jeans, don't expect them to become wider when you put them in the washing machine. Most of you say, yeah, and you buy big jeans, you put them in the washing machine, become more wider or become more small. No, these ones are cotton, they're going to stay the same. So it won't happen, so don't think about that. And normally I think they go for, I think, 298 euros. I bought them on sale for 50%, so that was, I think, 136 euros. So it's a good deal on my side. So I love Net-a-Porter. I love shopping on their website. Apparently, we had this brand retailing in our warehouse here in the Bijenkorf in Amsterdam, but they don't retail this brand anymore. And the only way I can get this brand is either buying it in Paris at Lafayette or ordering it on Net-a-Porter. So those are my only options of finding a pair of these jeans. And if I find another brand of jeans that fits perfectly and shows off my small little ass and my small little features, I will really tell you about it, because it's not easy finding clothes for petite women, but there's so many secrets that we petite women have and challenges we have that most of you don't know about. You think life is so easy because we are so petite and cute. No, we have very, very many challenges finding stuff that fits us, especially in a country where everyone is like 6 meters and above and you're like, you know, just a half. So that was it. I hope you understand, and I hope you leave a comment telling me what your favorite brand of jean is. Like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you.